Module 23 and 24 in the Idrivesafety curriculum. Green does not mean safe. As we're about to unfold here, green does not mean safe. It does mean legally our turn with variables. You'll notice the car in front with the trailer has already started braking, which is odd with a green light. But you can see that oncoming vehicle start to angle in the turning lane, and that's a concern. It certainly would create a justification for my foot over, if not on the brake, coming through a green light. And then look at what happens as it unfolds. He cuts off, fails to give way to that oncoming vehicle, the black one in front of us. To the black car, well done, you've just avoided a side impact crash with the white car failing to give way at a set of traffic lights. I drive safety, so can you.